Cheese. Cheese. Say, can you smile? Cheese. Cheese. Yeah, I'm recording him.
Ew.
Look at
Say,
your
I'm
cake.
one. Say, I'm one. Ew. Say, we're ready to go to California tomorrow. Go.
Oh, I want to record.
I bet your speech.
Oh, I want to upload it.
Yay. Get your balloons.
Hi, go, Mother.
Not the weather.
Look at the balloons.
You gonna mess up your balloons now? He's like, yeah. What?
Here's that double high again, and Powell flipped and got the quick news.
You only got one day with your balloons. You're leaving tomorrow.
Okay, where are you going?
Silly boy. Silly boy. Where'd you put his pencil?
Yeah? Where are you going? You fatty?
Oh, this is such a cute cake.
I know, what kind is it?
Chocolate, I think. With white.
Yay! Birthday boy!
Look what Daddy is in your face now. Balloons are going everywhere with you.
Oh no!
My cat.
Whoa! Wait. Hey, no. No. No! Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, bye. No.
Hey.
No.
Yeah, he knows there's plastics in there. Put it back. That's for Daddy a balloon. Come here.
Go. No.
No. Owie.
Where you? No, you can't.
Go. Go show Daddy. Wait, call him.
Go to Jorge.